Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Simple Tech 100 guys. So guys, in today's video we want to look at how to make temperature sensor using thermistor. This is a thermistor we got from a motherboard, and here's a motor, 9-volt battery. As you can see guys, it's a 9-volt battery, and this is our switch. So follow up guys. So guys, as you can see, our project has been completed, and here is our project. This is a battery. As you can see, this is the negative that was connected to the negative of this motor, and here is our positive, as you can see, in series with our thermistor. This is the thermistor we are using guys for the temperature sensor, and this is our switch, and it comes to the positive of this battery. So let's switch it on and see now guys. So as you can see, the motor is not working. So until we heat up this our thermistor before it can turn on guys. So let's do that. So guys, as you can see, I already have a paper that will indicate when the motor is rotating guys. Here's our thermistor and here's our switch. So I'm going to switch it on. So I've switched it on. As you can see, it is not working guys. So I'm going to heat this thermistor with fire now guys. So let's try it. So we want to try it. As you can see, this is our lighter. So we are going to heat it up. As you can see guys, our project is working. So let me switch it off. So as you can see guys, it is working because the thermistor is still very hot. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. So as you can see guys, it has stopped already, so we still have to heat it up. So let's try it again guys. As you can see, so if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.